I am going to ask you a tech question.
Great.
Not a philanthropy question. You
Super.
used to come here and just kind of talk about the agenda of tech, and I'm not going to try to make you do that now, because now I feel like everything in tech is less important than what you guys just talked about. But one of the big things we're talking about here this year is AI. It's been around for a while, but it's kind of exploding now. What do you think about it? Do you think it's the big new thing, and is there any danger to it?
Well, certainly it's the most exciting thing going on, and it's the holy grail. It's the big dream that anybody who's ever been in computer science has been thinking about. You know, how hard is this? And very specific problems like speech recognition and vision. We now have systems that are better than human level of capability. And so the progress in the last 5 years has been dramatically faster than in any time in history. There's no doubt that in, say, a 10-year time frame, we will have, for physical tasks, driving, warehouse work, cleaning up rooms, we'll have robots that are way less expensive than human labor for doing those things.
And I want to put a cap on this as well. Well, one thing I'll just tell you about Bill, which is when we go on vacation, Bill's somewhat moving to Kindle, but he still takes a huge bag of books, and I can always tell what's on his mind by what's in his bag of books. And there have been a lot of AI books. So while you think he's working on philanthropy, the side of his brain is also thinking about tech.
I know.
I know you know that.
He was actually thinking about this a long time ago.
Has been for a long time. But the other thing I want to say to everybody in the room is we ought to care about women being in computer science because if when you think about the US being on the forefront, a lot of this technology, and when I was in college, I studied computer science and economics, we thought we were on the way up of women in tech. So when I graduated, 34% of undergraduates in computer science were women. The peak was 37%, and we're now down to 17% of computer science graduates are women. So when Bill talks about where AI is going, and I care a lot about where AI is going, I think it's going to happen. If we don't have women in that, think about healthcare, artificial intelligence in healthcare, just as one example. I mean, you want women participating in all of these things because you want a rich set of a diverse environment creating AI and tech tools and everything we're going to use.